Hello, kabayan. Are you looking for local thrills right in Saudi Arabia? Ako Arabia is the answer. You can spend your holiday here. So if you want to book a ticket, you go to the website of Ako Arabia. You can see all the do's and don'ts there and the guidelines for swimwear. So the entrance fee that you will pay is 275 SR for adults and 170 for children. The entrance fee includes rides and attractions, 22 rides and attractions, including the tallest water drop tower currently in existence and the longest water coaster track globally. Yun yung tinatawag na Hyper Viper. So, ang mga visitors or guests should follow proper or appropriate dress code for water attractions, including suitable swimwear. Especially for ladies, we should wear not revealing swimsuit, but we can wear the proper suit like rash guard. Pwedeng rash guard and short or yung overall na swimwear, but not revealing. And the location is in Qiddiya City. This is the broader development focused on entertainment, sports, and cultural experiences. So Ako Arabia is the largest water theme park located in Qiddiya City, approximately 40 minutes from Riyadh. But if you will use the Google Maps, sometimes it depends on traffic. It will take 1 hour and 10 minutes. And yung inclusions sa entrance fee, may 22 rides and attractions, access to theme zones and lounging areas. Ang exclusion niya, hindi kasama sa binayaran mo, yung food and beverages. Bawal din magdala ng food and beverages doon. Pero maraming restaurants na pwede mong pagkainan doon or bilhan ng food. Hindi rin or excluded din sa entrance fee yung retail purchases and souvenirs, locker rentals, and towel hire. Pero pwede kayong magdala ng sarili mong towel. Yung locker rentals for ladies nasa 70 SR and for males nasa 60 SR. At kung gusto mong mag-rent ng cabana, para siyang isang buong apartment, nasa 1,200 SR yun. And meron din siyang mga parang cottages or free spaces na pwede kang pagstayhan. So, pwede mong dalhin yung mga gamit mo as long as waterproof. Enjoy! Have fun!